My name is Nur Fatihah Izzati binti Hanuzi.
My name is Siti Amiza Afifa binti Azmi.
My name is Sibatin Wafirah binti Cirahim.
My name is Nurhatun Shahida binti Nurizan.
My name is Nurhat Fazlaika, and today we are going to present about the PC proposal. For the introduction, Nawal is a student that wants to buy a new computer that she can be used for her assignments. Nawal needs to have a suitable computer system specification for her utility software, programming software, authority software, gaming, and movies. Therefore, we have a few suggestions of what software and hardware that Nawal will be needed. Nawal needs to have an operating software and suitable processor that can help her work to be done smoothly without any problem. She also needs a few components such as motherboard, system memory, graphic card, hard disk, and she also needs a speaker and a monitor for a better quality of audio and video.
For motherboard, we suggest Nawal Gigabyte B3365M 2W Max Intel motherboard. The price for this motherboard is RM322. For specification, which is CPU, it's able to support 9 and 8 generation Intel Core. For chipset, this motherboard uses Intel B365 Express chipset. The memory uses 2 DDR-ROM DIMM socket that support up to 32 GB of the system memory. For the onboard graphic, it's able to support 1D support with resolution of 1920. As the audio, it uses Realtek ALC887 code. The expansion slot have 1 PCI Express running at 16 and 2 Express 1 slot. For storage interface, it uses chipset that can support 1 M.2 connector. For internal I/O connector, have 124-pin ATX main power connector, 8-pin ATX 20V power connector. For I/O controller, that motherboard use is called SITE I/O controller chip. The motherboard can monitor the hardware. After that, the BIOS has 128 MB flash. For operating system, the motherboard can support for Windows 10 64-bit operating system.
Computer case that can be suggested for Nawal is Epcon Core Helios 250X gaming case. The price for this casing is 165 ringgit.
The processor that we suggest for Nawal is the Intel Core i5-8400, which is a hexa-core processor without hyper-threading, with a base clock speed of 2.8 GHz and can boost up to 4 GHz. The lack of hyper-threading might sound bad, but most people will never really more need than 6 threads for day-to-day use.
Next point is system memory. So we suggested for Nawal is Hyper-Free DDR4 RGB. So the Hyper-Free DDR4 RGB delivers a boost of performance and style with the speed of up to 3733 MHz, aggressive styling and RGB lighting that surround the length of the module for smooth and stunning effect. Cost-effective upgrade is available in 2400 MHz and until 3733 MHz speed, SC50 until 19 latencies, single module capacities of 4 GB until 32 GB, and the kit capacity of 16 GB until 128 GB. It features plug-and-play automatic overclocking at 2400 MHz and 2666 MHz speed, and it is both Intel XMP ready and play for Ryzen. HyperX Free DDR4 RGB stays cool with its stylish low profile, heat spreader, and 100% tested at speed and backup with by a lifetime warranty. It is an easy, no worry-free upgrade for your Intel or AMD based system.
Next is graphic card. Graphic card is a piece of computer hardware that produces an image on the monitor. It is responsible for rendering an image to the monitor and convert data into a signal that the monitor is able to understand. The graphic card that we suggested to Nawal is Gigabyte GeForce GT 1030. The price of this graphic card is around 399 ringgit Malaysia. The graphic processing of this graphic card is GeForce GT 1030, where the memory size is able to support around 2 GB. The memory type of this graphic card known as GDDR5 that have 64-bit of memory bus, meanwhile for the multi-view of this graphic card is 2.
Hard disk, known as an electronic mechanical data storage device that use magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital data using one or more rapidly rotation platelet coated with magnetic material. As for hard disk, we suggest Nawal to buy WD Blue hard disk 1 TB. The price for this hard disk is around RM170. For specification, in interface, it has SATA 6 GB for the interface. For performance specification, rotation speed is 7,200 RPM. For buffer size, 40 MB. Load or unload cycle, 3,000 minimum. For transfer rate, the speed of the transfer is up to 150 MB. Formatted capacity, it has 1000,204 MB of formatting capacity. For capacity, the capacity of this hardware is 1 TB from factor 3.5 inch. User sector detected 1953525.169 for H 26.1 mm for the H. Compatibility operating system. This hardware are compatibility to Windows or Mac operating system.
We choose LG DVD writer GH24 Super Multi 24X. It is because the price to buy is affordable, which is 54 ringgit only.
We suggest Nawal to use Windows 10 because Windows 10 is main version in operating system of Microsoft Windows. From a computer game point of view, Windows 10 is also equipped with DirectX 20. This enables one computer to provide higher frame rates and more recent computer games.
For the software, we suggested for Nawal is Microsoft Word. It is a word processing program that always used for creating documents such as letters, learning activities, and doing tests and quizzes. So the Microsoft Word is very familiar with students, especially university students, because they will use this software as their tools to finishing their assignment. So this software very suitable for Nawal because she also a university student. This software really gives a lot of advantage when using it because it provides many useful features that are available in Microsoft Word to make it easier for study and work. So that is why many people would prefer to Microsoft Word, especially when to convert the read-only PDF to editable Word edit PDF in the Word. The price of this Microsoft Word is RM169.
As much as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel is also a part of Microsoft Office productivity software. Now will be needed this software as it able to create grid of text, numbers and formulas specifying calculation. The processor of this Microsoft Excel is 1.6 GHz with dual core processor. This software are suitable for Windows 10 operating system. As for the memory, it uses two different types of memory, which is 64 bits and 32 bits RAM for Windows 10. The hard disk space that will be needed for this software is around 4 GB of memory. As for the graphic, it uses DirectX 10.
We also suggest Microsoft Access for Naval because it can make Naval easier to do assignment and so on. Microsoft Access is an information management tool that can help Naval store information for reference, reporting, and analysis. There are many benefits when Naval use this software, such as can make Naval quick and easily to create database system, can make Naval produce very user-friendly application through its comprehensive programming language, and many more benefits. For specification, the Microsoft Access processor is 1.6 GHz. For operating system, it uses Windows 10 for PC, memory 4 GB for 64 bits and 2 GB for 32 bits. Hard disk is available this price. For display 1024 resolution, and for graphic is DirectX 10 graphic cards for graphics.
We use Adobe Premiere Pro for Naval. It is because Adobe Premiere Pro is a great video editing app. This software also is automatic tool that save time so Naval can focus for assignment and so on.
Next software is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment IDE software from Microsoft. This software used to develop computer programs as well as website, web services, and mobile application. As for the price, the range of this software is free, whereby it can be used by everyone. The operating system that's suitable for this software is Windows 10 operating system, and as for the processor, it is 1.8 GHz or faster processor. For the RAM, it uses 2 GB of RAM and 800 MB up to 210 GB of hard disk spaces, and it all depends on the features installed.
We suggest Naval to use Razer Synosa Chroma keyboard. It is boost Razer extensive RGB lighting, which can be programmed on a per key basis or applied by zones. It is a solid, non-frill, nice-looking keyboard that's the best membrane option.
For the next input devices, we suggested for Naval is Razer Death Adder Elite Gaming Mouse. So it is a gaming mouse with one of the world enhanced optical sensor with true 16000 dpi, 450 IPS and 99.4% resolution accuracy. So gaming optimized Razer mechanical mouse, switch durable up to 50 million click. The price of this mouse is Rm 199.
While for the output devices, we have suggested Naval to buy a monitor that called as Acer EK220QA. This monitor allows users to have a great view image details and have a larger display. The price of this monitor is around 289 ringgit Malaysia. As for the specification, the size of this monitor is 21.5. The panel type of this monitor is VA, which is vertical alignment, and it provides a VGA port and connector. By buying this monitor, it will come together with one HDMI cable and one power cord.
We also suggest Naval Sonic Gear Titan 5 BTMI Bluetooth multimedia speaker. The Sonic Gear Titan 5 BTMI Bluetooth multimedia speaker is provide very clear sound output. This speaker is very special because it has equipped with LED light on the subwoofer that can change until several types of color. This speaker also ideal for novel, especially for music listening and gaming. It provides high quality ear curtain. The price is at M113. For specification, Titan 5 BTMI, it uses 40 watt of output power. For technical specification for the satellite, the drive size is 2x3, where response to 118 Hz until 20 kHz frequency. For technical specification for subwoofer, the size of the drive is 4. It can respond up to 14 Hz until 200 Hz frequency with 14 watt output power and 4 impedances.
For the printer, we choose Epson Eco10 L3110 all in black ink tank. This printer can save more with economical and multi-function printing solution for both to bring down cost and bring up productivity.
Pricing. For the motherboard, the price is 322. For the computer case, the price is 165. For the hardware, first processor, the price is 689. For system memory, the price is 218. Graphic card 399. Hard disk 170. And DVD-ROM, the price is 54. For the software, first Windows 10, the price is 199. Microsoft Office, the price is 359. Adobe Premiere Pro, the price is 148. For Visual Studio, it is free of charge. For input device, first Razer Dex Elite Gaming Mouse, the price is 199. Second Razer Synosa Chroma Keyboard, the price is 239. For the output device, first Acer Monitor, the price is 289. For Sonic Gear Titan 5 BTMI Bluetooth multimedia speaker, the price is 130. And third, Epson Eco10 L3110 all-in-one ink tank printer, the price is 499. Overall, the total of price for Nawal computer specification is 4,069 and 40 cents.
In conclusion, the computer specifications that have been suggested in this proposal are Gigabyte B3365 MD2V Max motherboard and Core Helios 250X gaming case. The hardware suitable for Nawal are Intel Core i5 8400 processor, HyperX DDR4 RGB, Gigabyte GeForce GT 1030 OC 2GB, GDDR5 64-bit graphic card, WD Blue hard disk 1TB, and also LG DVD writer GH24 Super Multi 24X. Besides, we recommend for Nawal Windows 10, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, and also Adobe Premiere for the software. For the input devices, we suggested Razer Synosa Chroma Keyboard, Razer Dex Elite Gaming Mouse. Meanwhile, for the output devices, we suggested for Nawal is the Acer EK2206QA monitor, Sonic Gear Titan 5 BTMI Bluetooth multimedia speaker, and also Epson Eco10 L3110 all-in-one ink tank printer. So, All of these motherboard, computer case, hardware, software, input and output devices type would be enabled to NAWAL for fulfill all her needs.